Project selection criteria in project management are the standards or guidelines used to evaluate and prioritize potential projects within an organization. These criteria help organizations determine which projects align with their strategic goals and objectives and are most likely to be successful. The role of project selection criteria in project management is to ensure that resources are allocated to the most valuable projects. By using these criteria, organizations can prioritize projects based on their strategic importance, feasibility, and potential return on investments. One practical example of project selection criteria is using financial concepts such as return on investment, referred to as ROI, opportunity cost, payback, benefit cost analysis, present value, referred as PV, and net present value, referred to as NPV. ROI, or return on investment, is a measure of the profitability of an investment and can be used to compare the profitability of different projects. Opportunity cost is the potential gain that is foregone or left by choosing one project over another. Payback period is the amount of time required for an investment to recoup its cost. Benefit cost analysis compares the benefits of a project to its costs to determine if it is worth pursuing. PV and NPV are financial metrics used to determine the present value and the net present value of future cash flows from a project, respectively. For example, a company is considering two projects, Project A and Project B. Project A has an expected ROI of 15%, a payback period of 3 years, and NPV of $50,000. Project B has an expected ROI of 20%, a payback of 2 years, and NPV of $80,000. Using these criteria, the company may prioritize Project B as it has a higher ROI, shorter payback period, and higher NPV, indicating that it is more profitable in the long run. Another example of how a company might use a project selection criteria to evaluate and prioritize potential projects would be asked as a question. A retail company is considering two projects. Project A involves developing a new e-commerce platform to increase online sales, while Project B involves building a new retail store in a high-traffic location. The company decides to use the following project selection criteria. Number 1, return on investment. The company expects Project A to have a higher ROI as it will increase online sales and reach a wider customer base. Number 2, net present value. Project A has a NPV of $250,000 while Project B has an NPV of $200,000. Payback period. Project A has a payback period of 2 years, whereas the Project B has a payback period of 3 years. Opportunity cost. Project A offers the opportunity to reach a wider customer base, while Project B offers the opportunity to reach customers in a high-traffic location. Number 5, alignment with company's values and culture. Project A aligns with the company's values of innovation and customer service, while Project B aligns with company's values of growing the business and expanding the customer base. So using these criteria, the company may prioritize Project A as it has a higher ROI, shorter payback period, higher NPV, and aligns with company's values and offers the opportunity to reach a wider customer base. See you in the next lecture.